how to see a private Twitter account without following them. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can see a private account on Twitter that you do not follow, but you want to get an update on that handle, that account. You want to know what's going on with them, what are the different related tweets to them. So you can do that very easily. First of all, you need to actually open up any account that you do not follow. Let's say that I didn't follow Elon Musk. So what happens is you cannot actually see their tweets, what they're doing, related tweets to them. So how we can actually go ahead and check out the tweets related to them or tweets by them? You just have to go to your search bar right here and you have to enter that handle, any handle that is. For instance, I wanted to actually check out, let's say that this is the name, and I wanted to check the tweets according to them, but I was not following this account. So what happens is once you search for it, for that account name, it shows you all of the tweets related to them. So it will look something like this. You can see it will show you the different tweets related to that person, any tweet that mentions that account, and you will get an update and an information that what are the different retweets, recent retweets, or tweets by that person. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.